this is Levon from EasyDMARC technical support team, and in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to configure ZeptoMail with SPF and DKIM and make sure your emails are going to pass DMARC checks. Now, first thing we need to do is to log into our ZeptoMail account, which is already done, and then from the left side panel we need to find the domain section and click on it. Let's go to the domain section. Okay, here the first thing that we need to do is to add our domain. Click on Add Domain button, and our test domain is dmarc-test-11.online. And since this source is subdomain capable for SPF, it is already suggesting the bounce subdomain. You can just keep it simple and adjust as you want. Now I'm just leaving it as bounce. Okay, and you can also associate the mail agent if you want, but you can also skip this step, so I'm skipping it now. Let's click add. Okay, next thing we're gonna see is a pop-up window suggesting to auto add the records. It's the CNAME type record for SPF and the DKIM record, which is going to be a TXT type record. Now let's close this pop-up window and go with the manual setup to see all the details. Okay, as we can see, there are two records: DKIM, it's a TXT type record, and CNAME type record for the SPF. Now we need to add both the records to our DNS zone. In this tutorial it's Cloudflare. Okay, let's copy the name for the first record, add record, and as we remember, it is a TXT type record. Okay, let's find TXT. Okay, this is the name and the value. Okay, this is basically the DKIM record. Okay, let's click save and just reload the page. Okay, this one is done. Now the next record, it's for the SPF. It is a CNAME type record already. Let's copy the name, add record, type CNAME, and in Cloudflare there's a proxy status enabled by default. Let's disable it. The name as we copied it, and the value or the target of the CNAME record. Save. Okay, let's reload the page once again. Now we can go back to our ZeptoMail account and click on Verify Domain. Okay, and we can see that our domain was successfully verified. DKIM is verified, CNAME type, which stands for the SPF, is verified. Now we are sure that whenever we send out emails from ZeptoMail, our emails are going to pass DMARC checks.